Deep within South America lies a place untouched by time, a vast, verdant world teeming with life. This is the Amazon rainforest, the largest rainforest on Earth. Imagine a green ocean, so vast it's visible from space. The Amazon River, the lifeblood of this ecosystem, snakes through the heart of the forest. Its waters, a mirror reflecting the sky, carry the whispers of ancient secrets. The Amazon is a vital organ for our planet, the lungs of the Earth. This delicate balance is what keeps our planet alive, a symphony of nature we must strive to protect. Step into the heart of the Amazon and you'll feel the pulse of life all around you. The air thrums with the songs of unseen creatures, a constant chorus of chirps, croaks, and calls. From the jaguars prowling the forest floor to the monkeys swinging through the canopy, life finds a way to thrive here. The air is thick with humidity, a constant reminder of the life-giving rain that sustains this ecosystem. The Amazon is a treasure trove of biodiversity, home to more species of plants and animals than any other place on Earth. Yet, for all its vastness, the Amazon holds secrets yet to be discovered. New species are constantly being found, each one a testament to the boundless wonders of this incredible ecosystem. For centuries, the Amazon has captivated explorers, scientists, and dreamers alike. Its depths hold mysteries waiting to be unraveled, stories whispered on the wind. The indigenous tribes who call the Amazon home have lived in harmony with nature for generations, their lives intertwined with the rhythm of the forest. They understand the secrets hidden within the leaves, the language of the animals, the heartbeat of the rainforest. But the Amazon, for all its resilience, is under threat. Deforestation, driven by human greed, is tearing apart the fabric of this ecosystem. The time to act is now to protect this irreplaceable treasure before it's too late. Imagine a place so vast it spans across 9 countries. The Amazon Basin, a cradle of life, stretches across the northern part of South America. Within this immense basin lies the Amazon rainforest, a jewel of biodiversity. Brazil, the heart of the Amazon, holds the largest portion of this rainforest within its borders. But the Amazon's reach extends beyond, encompassing parts of Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. The Amazon River, the artery of this ecosystem, is born high in the Andes Mountains. It gathers strength as it flows eastward, fed by countless tributaries that weave through the rainforest. This network of rivers is the lifeblood of the Amazon, carrying nutrients and connecting different parts of this vast ecosystem. Section 2. A River's Embrace. The Amazon River, a force of nature, is the largest river in the world by volume. Its waters, a reflection of the sky above, meander through the rainforest, carving out a path of life. The Amazon River is not just a waterway, it is a world unto itself. Its waters are home to a staggering array of fish species, including the fearsome piranha and the gentle giant arapaima. Pink river dolphins, their sleek bodies a flash of pink against the dark water, navigate the flooded forests, hunting for fish in the submerged undergrowth. The river's flow dictates the rhythm of life in the Amazon. The flooded forest, known as the Várzea, is a haven for wildlife, providing an abundance of food and shelter. Section 3. Seasons in the Green Ocean. Unlike the distinct seasons of temperate regions, the Amazon experiences a subtle shift between wet and dry periods. The rainy season, from December to May, transforms the rainforest into a verdant paradise. Torrential downpours drench the forest floor, replenishing the rivers and streams that sustain life. The rainforest floor, normally a tapestry of fallen leaves, transforms into a network of streams and pools teeming with amphibians and insects. The dry season, from June to November, brings a different kind of beauty to the Amazon. While the rainfall decreases, the humidity remains high. The canopy, no longer shrouded in mist, shimmers under the tropical sun, its leaves painted in vibrant hues of green. Section 4. A Tapestry of Habitats. The Amazon rainforest is not a uniform expanse of green. Within its borders lie a mosaic of different habitats, each with its unique characteristics and inhabitants. The Varzea, the seasonally flooded forest, is a world of its own, with trees adapted to survive in waterlogged conditions and fish that navigate the submerged branches. Then there are the Igapo forests, permanently flooded areas where trees stand tall in blackwater lakes. These lakes, stained dark by tannins released from decaying leaves, are home to unique species of fish, amphibians, and reptiles. The Amazon's diverse habitats create a complex and interconnected web of life, each element playing a crucial role in the rainforest's delicate balance. Look up, and you'll behold the crown jewel of the Amazon, the canopy. This elevated world, 100 feet above the forest floor, is a living tapestry of leaves, branches, and vines. It is a realm of sunlight and shadow, where orchids cling to branches and monkeys swing effortlessly through the trees. The canopy is home to a staggering diversity of life: insects, birds, reptiles, and mammals, all adapted to life above the ground. Spider monkeys, their long limbs perfectly adapted for arboreal life, navigate the canopy with ease, their calls echoing through the trees. The canopy is a world of its own, a testament to nature's ingenuity and the power of adaptation. The health of the canopy is intricately linked to the health of the entire rainforest, highlighting the interconnectedness of life in this remarkable ecosystem. Venture into the heart of the Amazon and you'll be greeted by a symphony of life unlike any other. It's a world of vibrant colors, intoxicating scents, and the constant hum of life in motion. Scientists believe that the Amazon is home to 10% of the world's known species, a testament to its unparalleled biodiversity. Imagine a single tree harboring more species of ants than can be found in the entire United Kingdom. The sheer abundance of life can be overwhelming. Butterflies with wings like stained glass flutter through the undergrowth. Monkeys chatter and howl from the treetops, their calls echoing through the dense foliage. And beneath the surface of murky streams, fish with shimmering scales dart through submerged roots, their world a hidden oasis. In the Amazon, plants are the architects of life, shaping the landscape and providing food and shelter for countless creatures. From towering trees that pierce the sky to delicate orchids that cling to branches, the plant life of the Amazon is as diverse as it is essential. The iconic kapok tree, a giant of the rainforest, can reach heights of over 200 feet, its massive trunk supporting a crown of leaves that spreads like a green umbrella. Below, in the dappled shade of the understory, ferns unfurl their delicate fronds, their intricate patterns a testament to nature's artistry. Orchids, bromeliads, and ferns adorn the branches of trees, their vibrant colors adding to the tapestry of the rainforest. These air plants, masters of adaptation, showcase the ingenious ways in which life thrives in the Amazon. Beneath the dense canopy, in the humid twilight of the understory, a hidden world teems with life. Here, where sunlight struggles to penetrate, an array of creatures has adapted to life in the shadows. Insects, amphibians, reptiles, and mammals navigate this dimly lit realm, their senses attuned to the subtle movements and sounds of the forest floor. The jaguar, the apex predator of the Amazon, stalks its prey through the undergrowth, its spotted coat blending seamlessly with the dappled light. The tapir, a shy herbivore with a prehensile snout, forages for leaves and fruit, its distinctive footprints marking its path through the undergrowth. Leafcutter ants, their jaws working tirelessly, march in long lines, carrying pieces of leaves back to their underground nests. Life in the Amazon is a delicate dance between predator and prey, a constant battle for survival that has shaped the evolution of countless species. The harpy eagle, with its piercing gaze and powerful talons, soars above the canopy, searching for monkeys and sloths to snatch from the trees. On the forest floor, the emerald tree boa, its scales shimmering like jewels, lies in wait, its camouflage concealing it from unsuspecting prey. The Amazon is a masterclass in camouflage, mimicry, and deception, where creatures have evolved ingenious ways to outwit their enemies and secure their next meal. The leaf mimic katydid, its body resembling a dead leaf, blends seamlessly with the forest floor, evading the watchful eyes of predators. And then there is the poison dart frog, its vibrant colors a warning to potential predators. These tiny amphibians secrete toxins from their skin, a potent defense mechanism that has allowed them to thrive in a world filled with dangers. The Amazon is a treasure trove of hidden wonders, a place where new species are discovered on a regular basis, reminding us of the vastness of our planet's biodiversity. In recent years, researchers have discovered a new species of river dolphin, its pink skin a striking contrast to the murky waters it calls home. They've also found a new species of monkey, its distinctive markings and calls setting it apart from its closest relatives. Every expedition into the rainforest yields new species of beetles, butterflies, and ants. Their bizarre forms and intricate adaptations a testament to the power of evolution. The Amazon's hidden wonders serve as a powerful reminder that we have only just begun to scratch the surface of life's diversity on our planet. For centuries, our people have relied on the rainforest's bounty for survival. Our deep knowledge of the forest's plants and animals has allowed us to thrive in this challenging environment, using natural resources for food, medicine, and shelter. The Amazon is a veritable pharmacy, its plants containing a vast array of chemical compounds with potential medicinal properties. The rosy periwinkle, a plant native to Madagascar but now found in the Amazon, contains compounds that have revolutionized the treatment of childhood leukemia and Hodgkin's lymphoma. The Amazon's vast repository of medicinal plants holds immense promise for the development of new drugs and treatments. Scientists are only just beginning to tap into this potential, working to identify and study plants that could hold the key to combating diseases that plague humanity. The Amazon rainforest, for all its grandeur and resilience, is a fragile ecosystem. The delicate balance of life here is under threat from a multitude of human activities, and the consequences of disrupting this balance are far-reaching. Deforestation, driven by agricultural expansion, logging, and mining, is carving massive scars into the rainforest, destroying habitats and pushing countless species towards extinction. These changes threaten to push this vital ecosystem past a tipping point, transforming rainforest into savanna and releasing billions of tons of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. The fate of the Amazon hangs in the balance, a stark reminder of our interconnectedness with the natural world. We must act now to protect the Amazon, for our sake and for the sake of generations to come. Deep within the emerald embrace of the Amazon rainforest live its most vital guardians, the indigenous people. For millennia, they have called this vibrant ecosystem home, their lives intricately woven into the fabric of the forest. We are the true experts of this land, our knowledge passed down through generations, a testament to our enduring bond with nature. Each of our communities, with unique languages and traditions, shares a profound respect for the rainforest. They understand its rhythms, its secrets, and its delicate balance. Their lives are a testament to sustainable living, their practices ensuring the forest's well-being for generations to come. Our homes, often built using materials gathered sustainably from the forest, blend seamlessly into the surrounding vegetation. Our diet is drawn from the rainforest's bounty, with hunting, fishing, and gathering providing sustenance. Our medicines come from the forest's diverse flora, each plant with its unique healing properties. The guardians of the forest remind us of the importance of living in harmony with nature, preserving the Amazon for future generations. The indigenous people of the Amazon are the keepers of a wealth of knowledge about the rainforest. Our understanding of its plants, animals, and ecosystems is unmatched. Our traditional practices, honed over centuries, demonstrate a deep understanding of sustainable living and a profound respect for the natural world. We are skilled hunters, able to track even the most elusive creatures through the dense undergrowth. We know the best fishing spots in the rivers and streams, and we understand the life cycles of the fish we catch. Our knowledge of the rainforest's plants is equally impressive. We can identify countless species of trees, vines, and herbs, each with its own unique uses. We know which plants can heal wounds, cure illnesses, and provide nourishment. Our knowledge of the rainforest is not merely academic, it is deeply ingrained in our culture and our way of life. The indigenous people's wisdom and traditions are a testament to their deep connection with the Amazon rainforest. Their knowledge is passed down through generations, ensuring that their way of life continues to thrive in harmony with nature. Unlike many modern societies, we view ourselves not as separate from nature, but as an integral part of it. We understand that our well-being is inextricably linked to the health of the rainforest. This worldview fosters a deep respect for all living things and a desire to live in harmony with the natural world. Our practices reflect this harmonious relationship. We take only what we need from the forest, and we do so in a way that minimizes our impact on the environment. We understand the importance of balance, knowing that the rainforest's delicate ecosystem can be easily disrupted. Our traditional farming methods, for example, are designed to work with the rainforest's natural cycles, rather than against them. We practice shifting cultivation, clearing small patches of forest for farming, and then allowing those patches to regenerate before clearing new ones. The indigenous people's harmonious relationship with the rainforest is a model of sustainable living. Their practices ensure that the delicate balance of the ecosystem is maintained, allowing both the forest and its inhabitants to thrive. The indigenous people of the Amazon are the rainforest's most eloquent spokespeople. Their voices, carrying the wisdom of generations, speak of the importance of protecting this irreplaceable ecosystem. They have witnessed firsthand the devastating consequences of deforestation, mining, and other destructive activities. They have seen their ancestral lands destroyed, their rivers polluted, and their way of life threatened. They understand that the destruction of the rainforest is not just an environmental tragedy, it is a cultural tragedy as well. Their voices, rising from the heart of the Amazon, are a powerful call to action. They are speaking out against the forces that threaten the rainforest, demanding that their rights be respected, and calling for a global effort to protect this vital ecosystem. Their message is clear. The future of the Amazon is inextricably linked to our own, and we must act now to protect it. The call to protect the Amazon rainforest is urgent and clear. The voices of the indigenous people remind us that the fate of this vital ecosystem is intertwined with our own. We must heed their call and take action to ensure the survival of the rainforest and the cultures that depend on it. Section 5. A culture under threat. Sadly, the indigenous cultures of the Amazon are facing unprecedented threats. The encroachment of modern society, with its insatiable appetite for land and resources, is putting immense pressure on our ancient cultures and our way of life. Deforestation, driven by agricultural expansion, logging, and mining, is destroying their ancestral lands and disrupting their traditional way of life. The influx of outsiders, bringing with them new diseases, values, and ways of life, is further eroding our cultural identity. The younger generation, faced with limited opportunities within their communities, is increasingly drawn to the allure of the outside world, further threatening the transmission of traditional knowledge and practices. The loss of our cultures is not just a loss for the Amazon, it is a loss for all of humanity. Our unique perspectives, our ancient wisdom, and our deep understanding of the natural world are invaluable assets in our collective effort to build a sustainable future. Section 6. Preserving the legacy. Protecting the indigenous cultures of the Amazon is not just about preserving a way of life, it's about safeguarding the rainforest itself. Our knowledge, our practices, and our deep connection to the land make us essential partners in conservation efforts. By supporting their land rights, respecting their cultural heritage, and empowering them to lead conservation initiatives, we can help ensure the future of the Amazon rainforest. We must listen to our voices, learn from our wisdom, and support our efforts to protect our ancestral lands. The survival of the Amazon and the countless species that depend on it may very well depend on our ability to recognize the vital role of its indigenous guardians. Their legacy is a gift to us all, a reminder that we are part of something much greater than ourselves. By working together, we can ensure that the Amazon rainforest continues to thrive, a testament to the enduring power of nature and the human spirit. The time to act is now, before it's too late. Section 1. A forest under siege. The Amazon rainforest, a bastion of biodiversity and a vital organ for the planet, is under siege. Human activities, driven by greed and short-sightedness, are pushing this natural wonder to the brink. Deforestation, climate change, and illegal exploitation are tearing at the fabric of this delicate ecosystem, threatening its very existence. For centuries, the Amazon has stood as a symbol of nature's resilience, a testament to life's ability to thrive even in the most challenging environments. But the threats it faces today are unprecedented in scale and intensity, demanding urgent action from a global community that relies on the rainforest's invaluable services. The air, once thick with the hum of insects and the calls of exotic birds, is now increasingly filled with the roar of chainsaws and the acrid smoke of burning forests. The once pristine rivers, teeming with life, are now often muddied by erosion and polluted by mining waste. The very essence of the Amazon, its untamed spirit, is slowly being extinguished. Section 2. The bite of the chainsaw. Deforestation, the most visible and immediate threat to the Amazon, is driven by a complex interplay of economic, social, and political factors. Vast tracts of rainforest are cleared each year, primarily for cattle ranching, soy production, and logging. These activities, often illegal and driven by short-term profits, are leaving behind a scarred landscape, stripped of its biodiversity and its ability to support life. The impact of deforestation extends far beyond the cleared land itself. As trees are felled and burned, vast amounts of carbon dioxide are released into the atmosphere, contributing to climate change. The loss of forest cover also disrupts rainfall patterns, leading to more frequent and severe droughts in the region and beyond. The once impenetrable rainforest is being fragmented, its interconnected web of life torn apart. Species that have evolved over millennia to thrive in this unique environment are losing their habitats, their populations dwindling towards extinction. The very essence of the Amazon, its rich tapestry of life, is being unraveled thread by thread. Section 3. The Shifting Climate's Toll. As if the onslaught of deforestation wasn't enough, the Amazon now faces the added pressure of a rapidly changing climate. Rising temperatures, shifting rainfall patterns, and more frequent and intense droughts are pushing this delicate ecosystem towards a tipping point. The rainforest, once a symbol of nature's resilience, is showing signs of vulnerability. Trees, weakened by drought stress, are more susceptible to diseases and fires. The delicate balance of the ecosystem is disrupted as species struggle to adapt to the changing conditions. Some areas of the Amazon are already experiencing a phenomenon known as dieback, where large swaths of rainforest are dying off, transforming from lush green to barren brown. The consequences of a dying Amazon are dire, not just for the region, but for the entire planet. The rainforest plays a crucial role in regulating global climate patterns, absorbing vast amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Its demise would release billions of tons of this greenhouse gas, accelerating climate change and exacerbating its devastating impacts worldwide. The Amazon rainforest is not just a collection of trees and rivers, it's a complex and interconnected web of life. Every species, from the smallest insect to the largest predator, plays a crucial role in maintaining the ecosystem's delicate balance. The loss of even a single species can have cascading effects throughout the web, disrupting ecological processes and weakening the rainforest's ability to withstand environmental pressures. The iconic jaguar, for example, sits atop the food chain, regulating populations of herbivores and ensuring the health of the forest. The disappearance of this apex predator would have ripple effects throughout the ecosystem, leading to an overabundance of herbivores, overgrazing, and ultimately the degradation of the rainforest itself. The intricate relationships between plants and animals in the Amazon are still not fully understood, but we know enough to understand that disrupting this delicate web of life has profound consequences. The loss of biodiversity in the Amazon is not just an environmental tragedy, it's a loss for all of humanity, depriving us of potential new medicines, foods, and solutions to some of the world's most pressing challenges. Despite the dire threats facing the Amazon, there is still hope. Across the region, individuals, communities, and organizations are rising to the challenge, working tirelessly to protect this irreplaceable ecosystem. From indigenous communities fighting to protect their ancestral lands to scientists working to understand and mitigate the impacts of climate change, a growing movement is emerging to defend the Amazon. On the front lines of this battle are the indigenous people of the Amazon, who have lived in harmony with the rainforest for millennia. They are the true guardians of this land, their traditional knowledge and practices offering invaluable insights into sustainable living and conservation. Their voices are growing louder, demanding recognition of their rights, their knowledge, and their crucial role in protecting the Amazon. Alongside them stand scientists, researchers, and conservationists, working tirelessly to understand the complexities of the rainforest, monitor its health, and develop innovative solutions to the threats it faces. They are mapping deforestation patterns, studying the impacts of climate change, and developing sustainable agricultural practices that can provide livelihoods without destroying the rainforest. Their work is crucial in providing the evidence and the solutions needed to protect the Amazon. The Amazon rainforest, a place of immense beauty, biodiversity, and cultural heritage, stands at a crossroads. The choices we make today will determine its fate and, by extension, the fate of our planet. This is not just a regional issue, it's a global responsibility. The Amazon's health is intimately connected to our own, its fate intertwined with the future of humanity. We must remember that the Amazon provides invaluable services to the entire world. It acts as a giant carbon sink, absorbing billions of tons of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and helping to regulate global climate patterns. Its vast network of rivers and streams provides fresh water to millions of people, while its rich biodiversity holds the promise of new medicines, foods, and solutions to some of the world's most pressing challenges. The time for complacency is long gone. The Amazon is sending us a clear message, a desperate plea for help. The increasing frequency and intensity of droughts, the alarming rate of deforestation, the loss of biodiversity. These are all warning signs, telling us that we are pushing this vital ecosystem towards a tipping point from which it may never recover. Despite the daunting challenges, there is still hope for the Amazon. A global movement is emerging to protect this irreplaceable treasure, from indigenous communities to scientists and policymakers. A collective consciousness is awakening. Governments are enacting stricter regulations and investing in sustainable development. But our efforts must go beyond slowing down destruction. We need to actively restore what has been lost. The future of the Amazon hangs in the balance, but it is not yet lost. The seeds of hope have been sown, and with our collective action, we can ensure the Amazon thrives for generations.